Hello, team members. Okay, so I've seen just a few people that been having issues with installing this Oracle 11G. I'm gonna go ahead and begin and give you a quick walkthrough on how to install the Oracle 11G Express Edition. We'll go ahead and start off right at the link that University of Phoenix has provided us. So we're gonna go directly onto that website here. We'll just go ahead and click this link. Once we click this link, either a new window is going to open or a new tab. Inside this website, inside Oracle's website, we're going to go ahead and click on the Downloads tab. Once we click on the Downloads tab, we'll go ahead and accept the user agreement. Then, depending on our machine, whether it's 32 or 64-bit, we'll go ahead and download that. Once we click on the download link, it's going to ask us to either sign in. If you don't have a sign in, you can create a free account. Once you go and do that, you're going to get your file that gets downloaded. It's going to either download into your downloads or documents, wherever you have your preference set. Once you download that, you're just going to go ahead and extract all those files, and you'll just either extract them in that same directory or in a directory that you would like. And when that's finished installing, then we're going to go ahead and open that folder. So we'll go ahead and do that now. And within that folder, we'll go ahead and click on it again. Then we're going to open up the application installer. And once we open it, it begins downloading just a few information. Now this took me like 5 minutes or so to get everything downloaded and installed. But once it's installed, just go ahead and click finish. Next. Keep that directory the same, just install it, and here is where you're going to type in your password to the Oracle installation, where you're going to go ahead and run a SQL Connect command so you can connect to SQL. So remember that password. Here you just keep the same directory, just press next, wait it installs. And once it's been installing, just click on finish, and we're going to go ahead and then open up that SQL command line, whether it's in the start menu or you go scroll down into the start and look for the folder, and you open it, and the first thing you're going to go ahead and type is connect system and hit enter, and you're going to go ahead and type in that password that you typed in on the installation. You're going to be connected. Now here we're going to also go ahead and create the user. So to create the user, we'll go ahead and type create user Jesus, which is the username. So you put in your own username and then identified by your password. So you're going to put in your own password. I'm going to create password as my password. That's going to be confusing. Hopefully it doesn't confuse you, but it's your own password. So you type in whatever you want. I typed in password. So then we're going to go and close it off with a semicolon, and then it's going to indicate that the user has been created. Next, we're going to go ahead and grant ourselves all the permissions except the DBA permissions. So we're going to go ahead and say grant all privileges to Jesus, which is the username. Remember, the username you create yourself. So for my username, it's Jesus. Identified by password. And again, password is going to be your own password. Jesus is my username. Password is my password. Close it off with a semicolon and hit enter, and you're all set. So now you can go ahead and exit, and then you can connect with, connect Jesus or connect with your own username. I did see a lot of people having issues though opening that get started. Now this is because there's a directory from what I read, but don't worry about it because there is a link that you can use, and I'll go ahead and put it in the comments below. So we'll go ahead and open up a web browser, just copy that link, paste it in your address bar, and then just go ahead and click on one of these tabs, and you're going to sign in with the system password, or system username, and then your password that you created onto installation. Once you go ahead and do that, you're going to automatically get signed in, and then you're going to go ahead and be on the Oracle database user interface. And yeah, and you guys are all set. Any other questions, feel free to go ahead and drop a comment here or send me a message in that week 1 required software express page. Thanks so much, and hopefully this helps.